Almost every organization in our world is based on the cycle of these three steps. There is an input, then we process the input, and there is an output. And the cost of the inputs and processing plus the profit percentage decide the price of the product. That means if the cost increases, the price also increases as a consequence. That is not the case anymore. Now the price is decided by the customers and the profit is a consequence of my cost. That means if my cost increases, my profit can go down or it can be a loss. So, in order to stay in the game, I have to reduce my cost. That is, I have to reduce the activities I am doing which are resulting into cost. One way of doing it is to list down and then divide all the activities we do into three categories. Activities that add value. In order to identify these activities, we generally ask, is the customer willing to pay for the cost of this activity? Does this activity changes the function or form of the product or the service? Is it being done right the first time? Then we have activities that does not add value but are necessary to do, which includes setups, changeovers, inspection, adjustments. There is always an argument whether to keep safety and legal requirement in the necessary section or the value additions. Let's have it here to keep this super simple. Finally, everything that's left is waste, and eliminating them shall not affect the quality of the product. Just to make sure that our allocation is correct, consider that in an organization, generally 40% of the activities are waste, 59% activities are necessary, and 1% is value addition. So if you are offset by a good number, you might need to reconsider the distribution. Another tool to categorize the activities is based on what customer wants, what we are doing, what our system says. Accordingly, we can identify the activities that are adding value and the activities where we have the opportunity to add values and ask for a price increase. For remaining items, we can follow the ECRS in the exact same order, where we ask, can this activity be eliminated? If not, can it be combined with any other activity? If not, can I reduce this activity? If not, can I simplify this activity? We will study more about the waste activities in 7 types of mudda. Finally, whatever tool you decide to use, remember the purpose is to reduce the cost of processing so that profit can be made and we can stay in the game.